This one by Calvary Presbyterian, which is here in the top half of the upstate, except for that eastern section, is urging General Assembly to adopt what's been called the Nashville Statement. We had good debate in our presbytery over this. Now, there'll be those, and I probably am inclined to agree with them, that would say the Nashville Statement does not go far enough, perhaps on same-sex attraction. But there's nothing that I see in the Nashville Statement that would not be biblical. And so I think that it, too, it was put together by basically the same group of people that put together the earlier statement on inerrancy. It is a statement that can unite a broad range of evangelical and Reformed Christians on this issue. There have been a number of people in the PCA, OPC, the Reformed Presbyterian Church North America, that have signed onto this. Some of our hearers will know about Rosaria Butterfield, who is a converted lesbian and has had she's wife now of a RPCA minister and had a very effective witness bearing in this area. She signed it. So I'm hoping as well that our assembly will sign this, and then the Overture asked for it to be sent to the Education Committee to be made part of its training materials.